Building one lesson deck used to take all evening. Not anymore. This is Koncept Decks. Pick notes from the Koncepts library or upload your own. Both feed the same deck. Even ready-made interactives. Koncepts plans the whole deck first. Change any card in plain English. You set the length, the depth, the audience. Then it writes them. Definitions, worked examples, watch-outs, check questions. Ask Koncepts to redo any slide. Everything on the slide is yours. 6 themes, your fonts, applied across all 34 slides. Then add what makes it land. A check question, an image, a live interactive, a video. And you never leave the deck to go find any of it. Hundreds of interactives match to the slide you're on. Students launch them and actually play. Library images load automatically, or ask Koncepts to search the web. For video, let Koncepts suggest one, search the web, upload, or paste a link. Present it or assign it straight to your class. Resource or graded with a due date. Stop building slides, start teaching. Koncept Decks, live now in Koncepts.